Hello guys and welcome back to Programming N. And today I'm going to show you what TurboWarp is. It's this really cool thing on how to run hard and complicated projects. So here I have the two same projects in Scratch and in TurboWarp. I'm going to try and run it. And it's pretty laggy as you can see. But when you come to TurboWarp, let's run it. Pretty clean, pretty smooth. And now I'm going to show you how to use TurboWarp. You go to your own project and you copy and paste the link. Like I can copy the link from here, or I can just go to a random project like this. I'll copy this. And I paste it. Let this run. And TurboWarp does this really cool thing. It compiles JavaScript and Scratch. So look, now I have the cool project loaded just like that. And now a 3D platformer. But then you try to run it on Scratch. Let this load. As you can see, there's a slight lag difference. Especially if you have a laggy computer, you're going to want to use TurboWarp for like half of the project.